Hi everyone, welcome to the Random Home Gadgets channel. Today I will reveal the latest Eufy security product, the Eufy Video Smart Lock. It is an integrated device with camera, doorbell, and smart lock, 3 functions in one. I will show you how to install this Video Smart Lock, how to optimize the settings, and how to use multiple ways to lock and unlock. First, let's talk about the main features. This Video Smart Lock comes with 2K video camera, fingerprint reader, touch screen keypad, and physical keyhole. It has IP65 waterproof rating and BHMA certification. It uses Eufy Wi-Fi bridge to connect to Wi-Fi, act as a chime, and store video clips. This Video Smart Lock was only available from a recently completed Kickstarter project, but I'm sure Eufy will make this an official product sometime later. Now let me open it and take a look. Preparation. Set up the Wi-Fi bridge first.
Welcome to Eufy Security. Follow the instructions in Eufy Security app to set up the system. Ready for setup. Testing Wi-Fi connection. Connected to Wi-Fi successfully. Device was added successfully.
Remove the old lock. Remove the old deadbolt. Remove the strike plate. Installation. Step 1. Install the deadbolt. Step 2. Install the strike plate. Step 3. Install the exterior assembly. Step 4. Install the mounting plate. Step 5. Install the interior assembly. Step 6. Charge the battery. And install the battery.
Welcome to Eufy Security. Please download the Eufy Security app to complete setup.
Step 7. Set up via Eufy app.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network, please wait.
Set up passcode. Set up fingerprint.
Start fingerprint setup. Please slightly adjust the position of your finger on the sensor. Fingerprint setup complete.
Update firmware. Here are the 5 main ways to unlock. 1. Use the Eufy app. You may find the lock icon at the home page. Press and hold to lock or unlock. You may also do the same at the live stream view. Two, use fingerprint. 3. Use the keypad. 4. You can also long press the check mark button to activate Quick Lock. 4. Use the physical key. 5. You can also unlock with voice control if you set up with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. When someone pushes the doorbell button, you will hear the doorbell chime and get notification at your phone. Tap the notification to get into the live stream view. At the live stream view, you may press and hold the lock icon to lock and unlock. Record video clip. Take a screenshot. Use quick response. Turn on or off sound. Talk with the speaker.
Hello, hello, hello.
You may tap the gear wheel icon to get to the setting page. At the home screen, you may tap the 3-dot icon, then the gear wheel icon to get to the setting page. Now let's take a look at the details in the app settings. In the motion detection setting, you may set the detection type to be human only or all motion. You may set a detection distance. You may set up loitering detection to detect if there is a stranger lingering around your door. And set up the response, including push notification, auto voice response at the doorbell, and indoor chime alert. You may set up leaving detection to get notification if someone such as your young child leaves the door. You may set an activity zone to only detect motions within the zone. In the quick response setting, you may set up the pre-recorded voice response to be used in live stream view.
Hello, hello, hello.
In the Power Manager setting, you may select the working mode that best fits your situation. The auto lock function allows the door to automatically lock when it's closed. You may set how long to wait before auto lock activation and can schedule when to activate auto lock. The one-touch locking function allows quick locking by long pressing the check button. The wrong try protection function allows the lock to initiate a lockdown period if someone enters too many incorrect attempts. The scramble passcode function allows you to enter random numbers before or after your passcode and still be able to unlock the door. This function makes it harder for other people to spy on your passcode. In the video setting, you may turn on or off logo watermark. set video streaming quality, and recording quality. In the night vision setting, you may turn on or off auto night vision and night vision optimization. In the audio setting, you may turn on or off audio recording, set audio volume for two-way talk, set ringtone volume, and turn on or off lock sound. In the notification setting, you may set up what notification to receive, what happens when you tap on the notifications, how the notification will show, and change the app alert tones. In the indoor chime setting, you may change the setting of the Wi-Fi bridge chime. There is also instructions of how to set Alexa as chime. In the Manage Access setting, you may add guest profile. In the Guest Access setting, you may set up scheduled time for the guest access, set up the passcode, and/or set up the fingerprint. The lock calibration function can initiate calibration if the lock is not functioning properly. In the general setting, you may change the device name, check storage option, reveal the mounting guide, and check the device hardware and software information. In the Share Device function, you may share device control with your family member. Here are my final thoughts of this video smart lock. The pros are seamless integration of camera, doorbell, and smart lock all in one device. Easy to install, multiple ways to unlock, works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. The cons are no auto unlock feature, does not work with Apple HomeKit. Overall, I think this video smart lock is a well-integrated device that is unique and not available with other competitors. It's easy to install and packed with tons of great hardware and software features. This is one of the best smart device for your door. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. See you next time!